I thought I needed confidence, but it was something else. Have you ever told yourself, I'll do it when I feel more confident? I used to say that all the time. I truly believed that confidence was my missing piece. That one day I'd wake up, feel ready, and then everything would fall into place. But that day never came. And it wasn't because I couldn't do it. It wasn't because I didn't want more. And it wasn't because I kept waiting for a feeling that only comes after you begin. I remember sitting there thinking about, doing something different, wanting to create income another way, wanting more freedom, and wanting breathing room. But I kept pausing myself. Let me just think about it a little bit more. Let me make sure this is the right thing. Let me not make a mistake. And on the surface, that sounds really responsible. But underneath it, it was just hesitation dressed up as logic. And the hardest part was nothing looked wrong from the outside. I was still doing everything I was supposed to do, showing up, taking care of things, and being responsible. But inside, I knew I wasn't moving forward. And that's a quiet feeling. It's not loud, it's not dramatic. It's just that constant awareness that something could be different, but you haven't let yourself step into it yet. What I didn't understand at the time was this: confidence doesn't come first, clarity doesn't even come first. Movement comes first, even small movement, even imperfect movement. Because once you take one step, something shifts. You see things differently. You feel differently. You start to realize maybe you're more capable than you gave yourself credit for. And slowly, that confidence you were waiting for, it starts to show up. Not all at once, but enough to keep going. If you're in that place right now where you've been thinking about something, maybe for weeks, maybe even months, you don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need to feel completely ready. You just need one small baby step that feels doable. That's it. If this feels like where you are right now, just take a quiet moment today and ask yourself, what's one small step I've been putting off? You don't have to rush it. Just don't ignore it. That's your inner self talking to you. Because sometimes that one small step is the beginning of everything. Confidence isn't something you find, it's something you build. And any questions, I'm always here to help you. Shoot me an email. I'd love to help you.